Welcome to Knowledge Search channel. In this video, today we will be discussing about a problem related with how to find the value of resistance. In earlier videos, we were discussing about what is resistance, what is the potential, what is current. So slightly we will be moving on with the next level of concepts, and in this video here I am to discuss about how to find the value of resistance for a given material. So these type of problems has been asked in many of the GATE question papers as well. It's a very important parameter. The resistance is a very important parameter which plays a very vital role in the flow of current in any given material. So it's very obvious that we should know how to find the value of resistance for the given material. So let's go into the problem, and the problem is, see here, a copper wire is given. Okay, this copper wire is of about 500 meter long. So you can see that the copper wire is of about 500 meter long and it has a diameter of 1 millimeter, and I have to find the resistance. So for example, the copper wire has the resistivity. So I hope you all know what is the resistivity, because the resistivity is nothing but the specific resistance, which is nothing but resistance per unit meter. For 1 meter, what is the resistance of the copper for? So that's what resistivity is all about. Okay, resistivity is nothing but resistance per unit meter. So here this can be found out from the data sheets. So in this problem it has been given. So if the resistivity of the copper is 1.73 into 10 power minus 8 meter. So this is the value that has been given on the data sheet, that is 1.73 into 10 power minus 8 meter is the resistivity of the copper. So we all know, so the length has been given, the diameter has been given, and the resistivity of the copper has been given. So how to find? So here you can see that what are the given data. So we want to find the value of resistance. So the given data in the problem is the length of the wire is 500 meter, the diameter of the wire is around 1 millimeter, and the resistivity is 1.73 into 10 power minus 8 meter. So if the diameter is given in 1 millimeter, that has to be converted into meter, because everything has to be converted into the same standard. So here it will be 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So this is what. So we want to convert everything to a common standard. This is the first thing we want to do in any problem. Okay. So length, diameter and resistivity is being given, and we want to find what is the value of resistance. So in order to do so, the formula given is, so here you can see that resistivity is given, length is given, and area is also given. Okay. So resistivity is given, length is given, area is also given. So here the formula is R equal to rho L by A. What is rho? Rho is nothing but the specific resistance, L is nothing but the length of the particular wire which we have taken, and A is nothing but the area. So rho L by A. So rho is nothing but the resistivity, L is nothing but the length, and A is nothing but the area. So the given data, so you can see that length is given, diameter is given, resistivity is given. So directly you can substitute in this formula in order to find what is the resistance. So it's very simple, is it right? So all the three parameters has been given in this problem. Length is given, diameter is given, resistivity is given. So you want to find what is the value of resistance. So it's a direct problem. So it's very simple to find. Sometimes in some cases, the resistivity value would not have been given, and in that case we have to refer the any data table book. Okay, so any data table book is there, so you can just refer the resistivity of that particular material. So just you substitute all these parameters. Okay, so the value of resistivity is 1.73, so you can see that that has been substituted 1.73 to 10 power minus 8, and the length is 500 meters. So here you can see that the 500 has been substituted. And what is this pi? Why this, where it came is because we want to find what is the area. So here rho L by A is nothing but the area, but the diameter is given. So you want to convert diameter to area, you want to do pi d square, is that right? So pi d square by 4 is that formula. So what is the diameter is nothing but 1 to 10 power minus 3 meters. So 1 to 10 power minus 3 to the whole square. So diameter is pi d square by 4. So this is what has been done over here. So 1.73 into 10 power minus 8 is nothing but the resistivity. 500 is nothing but the length of that particular conductor or copper wire, and pi d square by 4 is nothing but the area. So rho L by A. So by substituting it, we will be getting the answer as 11.0135 ohms. So this is what the answer which we get. So this is the resistance of the copper, which has the resistivity of 1.73 to 10 power minus 8 meter, and the resistance, that is the length of the copper wire is 500, and as well the diameter is 1 into 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So here we have discussed how to solve a problem to find what is the resistance of the given copper wire of about resistivity of a given value and length of the given value, and we want to find the area by using the formula pi d square by 4. So thank you. I'm sure this video will be very useful for you, and if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up, and as well, if you have any doubts, you can just comment, and if you have if you feel that this video will be useful to someone, please share it to someone, and if you really like the videos which I post on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and by giving support to this channel, I will be very happy of having more subscribers. So thank you very much. That's all from me.